Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing some southern smothered ribs. Stick around. Alright, first thing we're going to do is cut up our ribs. Nice little pieces. Shouldn't take but a couple of minutes. Have that done. These are baby backs. Alright, so we got these cut up. We're going to toss some garlic on here. Get everybody all introduced and get to know each other a bit. Looks good. Oven's heated up. We're going 375 for about 3 hours. Got some house seasoning here, and this is actually for beef. I like it. Good on burgers. It's good on pork. It's good on everything. I'm not sponsored by it. I just like the flavor. All right. Step 2. We got some celery, onions, bell pepper. Toss in here. Some extra flavoring. The onions are going to give off some lovely flavors to lend to this. I'm going to toss in a little bit of fresh garlic as well. A couple good teaspoons. And a little bit of that cocaine of seasoning, MSG, with dry parsley, about a tablespoon and a half, a little filet powder with that little background flavor. Make it all nice and delicious. And just a pinch of oregano. Sage. Background flavor. And a nice pinch of black pepper. And before we go in the oven, I'll toss in some diced tomatoes. Around the way. Give this a nice little mix. Herbs and spices can mix and blend in there. I'm going to try to do this one layer Everything gets a little bit of heat. Seasoning, we're gonna let this go about 20 minutes and we'll move on to the next step. Alrighty, it's been 20 minutes. It's got time to get some flavors rolling there. I made me up a slurry while we was off camera. Just flour and water. And I added some chicken bouillon to the party. And a little mushroom seasoning. All optional. Totally up to you. But a few more flavors to add to the party. And we're gonna put about 4 or 5 cups of water to this mixture because we don't want this to turn real thick. We want this to be a nice loose sauce. Flavorful, nevertheless. Get everything moved around. Make sure everybody's sitting in the sauce all nice, cuddly like. And we're gonna cover this. Nice tight lid upon this. Go into the oven. And we're going to crank our heat to 425. For about 2 hours. I almost had it for 3. There we go. And we're off to the races. Alright, we got them out of the oven, and these fellas are tender. Oh yeah. We're gonna make us up a plate. Alright. Looking good, looking delicious. We're gonna give this a taste. I'll let you know. Tender, delicious. I love it. If you like this one, give me a thumbs up. Tell a friend about me. Leave me a comment. Subscribe if you haven't. And we'll see you on the next one.